I'm with Terry. This is 60 Seconds with Steve. Terry, you're travelling in a Cruiser Highside. How are you finding it?
Oh, we're loving it, Steve. We bought it at the Sydney camping show and went there to buy a tent and came back with a camper trailer, and it's been a revelation.
You got MDC'd at the show.
We did well and truly. We had a great time down there, and the staff there were very informative. We looked at a lot of different brands, checked them out, did our research before we started. Had a few negatives that we checked out, and we found that was just rivalry going rampant, and we haven't looked back.
So where have you been in it?
Well, to truth, this is our first big trip.
Yeah.
We've only been up to Lake Lyle because we bought it 2 weeks before we went to Europe for a month, and
I remember that.
yeah, and our friends, they had a borrowed one, and they decided they didn't want to go down that track, and so they've bought an MDC too.
Fantastic.
So we're travelling together.
Mate, thank you for your 60 seconds. That
No
was
worries.
great.
Thanks, Steve.